Hey Bears, still trying to find ways for you to understand oxidation numbers. I already tried recording this before, but the entire periodic table did not show up. So I'm going to try one more time. If this if this does not work, we're just going to cross our fingers on this. All right. If I have not emphasized, or if you still are not sure how important understanding oxidation numbers are at this point, let this be your moment. So, here we go. Alkali metals are a plus 1. Alkaline earth metals are a plus 2. We skip the transitions. Go to boron family, they are a plus 3. Carbon family, they're funky, they are our plus or minus 4. Nitrogen family, minus 3. Oxygen family, minus 2. Halogens, minus 1. And our noble gases are 0. Gonna use another color here to re-emphasize valence electrons, because we're going to be using this in the next couple of days. And I've already shown this to you. I have other videos you can watch on valence electrons. I'm gonna repost those for you. But here we go. Alkali metals have 1 valence electron. Alkaline earth metals have 2. Uh-oh. Sorry. Having trouble here. Alright. Skip to the boron. They have 3. Carbon family have 4. Nitrogen have 5 valence electrons. Oxygen 6. Halogen 7. And everyone in the noble gas have 8, except for helium, who only has 2. Alright. Those are valence electrons and oxidation numbers for our periodic table. We skipped the transitions because they tend to have all kinds of numbers in them. We'll be talking about them soon.